Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be comparing two popular air fryers, the Ninja Air Fryer XL and the Instant Vortex 4-in-1. We will be evaluating these products in various categories and highlighting their unique features. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. Let's get started. If you're looking to cook food for a big family or a small gathering, the Ninja Air Fryer XL might be the perfect fit with its 5.5 quarts basket. On the other hand, the Instant Vortex 4-in-1 is perfect for single servings, side dishes, or for small families with its compact size. The Ninja Air Fryer XL boasts 5 versatile cooking programs: air fry, air roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. On the other hand, the Instant Vortex 4-in-1 also has multiple programs for air fry, bake, roast, and reheat, even including unique programs for wings, potatoes, and more with the touch of a button. The Ninja Air Fryer XL is priced at $159, while the Instant Vortex 4-in-1 costs only $59, making it the perfect choice for those on a tight budget. While both products show impressive technological capabilities, the Instant Vortex 4-in-1 comes with a unique even crisp technology that saves you time and delivers crispy and tender results every time. While the Ninja Air Fryer XL uses a wide range of temperature, 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, to gently remove moisture or produce hot, crispy food. Cleaning your air fryer can be a hassle, but both the Ninja Air Fryer XL and Instant Vortex 4-in-1 make it easy to clean with their non-stick, dishwasher-safe air fry baskets and trays. Thanks for watching our review of the Ninja Air Fryer XL and Instant Vortex 4-in-1. As you can see, both products have their unique features that make them great options. Ultimately, it comes down to your personal preferences and needs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and comparisons like this. We'll see you in the next one.